Hello friends, welcome to another coffee and a chat. No coffee sponsor yet, just saying. Now then, today's chat is about this Revoslot Viper white kit, which, if you watched recent videos, you'll know was the contents of the Mrs. SlotR Mystery 2000 subscribers box, along with the Warsteiner decal set. Now, as you probably know, I like a German beer livery. I'm not quite sure why. I have a theory, but that's probably for another chat at some point. But yes, German beer, and of course, German beer. So, given that we need to make a Warsteiner liveried version of this car, I'm trying to work out how I'm going to paint it. Now, if we get this out the box, usual Revoslot part list. Well done, Revoslot. So this car is fairly complete built. You've got to put the guide in yourself because they give you two guides, so you get the option. But everything else is in. You could probably do with a bit of lining up. But essentially, the engineering side of it's done. So these white kits are really about what you're going to make it look like. There's the glass. Bumpers, skirts, wheel trims, under tray, and this one is the driver and the Lexan interior. And here we have the body. So, move these bits out of the way for a minute. If we look at this body, it obviously has a natural colour change line along this edge. I suppose there's another one that's a body line that's round here, and that sort of goes round to these details on the front here. But also I noticed that that line pretty much matches up with this line. So maybe there's a chance of a paint line this way or this way. And this is kind of really where it's at. What are we going to do? Because, okay, gold, white and black, they are the colours of Warsteiner as a sponsor. And here's a good example. But we don't do another black one, really. Here's a white one. And you can go silver with the gold and black and white as well. But then you're into 4 colours. Now, usually 3 colours on a body shell is as many as you want. Lots of people will tell you that. And if you look online for Warsteiner liveries, for real cars, an awful lot of them are just completely gold, and I don't want a completely gold car. And the ones that aren't completely gold are gold and white. And I don't think this body shell is really the right shape for expanses of gold and white. But I do think I want some gold. I think we need some black. We probably need some white. The other thing I've been thinking about is the Wooding Escort, which has a gold top and black sides, gold wheels. Could we do something like that on here? Could we do a black cab and then gold and then more black? I'm not sure. So there we are. Here is a talking point for the rest of this. Give me your thoughts in the comments, because everybody asked me what I was going to do with it, and lots of people said it'd be interested to see what you're going to do with it, and I don't really know. So as it's our car, because it's our 2,000 subscribers, which is you, and it's our channel, I'd like your input. Good chat.